Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by positioning the rod and counting clips, measure the curtain and rod span, then divide by the desired spacing. Use tighter spacing for heavier fabric, looser for shears. Once done, place the first clip 1/2 inch from the curtain edge to hide raw fabric. Make sure clips face the finished side so they grip fabric securely. Now clip every mark you made along the header. This immediate action prevents uneven gathers later and keeps the curtain balanced. You now work the clips onto the curtain header carefully. Hook or pinch each clip into the top hem or curtain tape, not through visible fabric where possible. As you proceed, step back and check that clip tops form a straight line. Adjust spacing to correct lopsided sections. Once aligned, gently gather the fabric between clips to create consistent pleats. Make sure pleat depth matches the look you want. This is where balance and visual rhythm are established, so take time to refine spacing. Finally, lift the clipped curtain onto the rod and slide it into position. Move it back and forth to test smooth operation. If a section sags, shift the nearest clips slightly outward to redistribute weight and flatten pleats. When clips slip on slippery fabric, secure them with a single small stitch through the header tape or add a short strip of anti-slip tape under the clip. This prevents future sliding without altering the look. And if curtains catch on rings, reposition clips a hair inward to clear obstacles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.